Are you looking for the best robot vacuums cleaning? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best robot vacuums cleaning on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Eufy 11S Max Rotbot Vacuum. The Eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum proved to be a standout performer across a variety of surfaces, including linoleum, tile, carpet, and even bathroom rugs, transitioning between them with ease. Our tester noted that it tackled a pile of crumbs efficiently, sharing, "I feel the robot vacuum does a better job than a broom with small crumbs on kitchen floors." She also appreciated the hands-off convenience, adding that she hasn't reached for her regular vacuum since the testing period. The slim design made it easy for the vacuum to move around, and its wheels handled different surfaces without trouble. We liked that the vacuum automatically returned to its base once the dustbin was full and, aside from getting stuck once under a desk, it operated smoothly. Number 2. SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K10 Plus Pro. The SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K10 Plus Pro was another tester favorite thanks to its strong performance and compact design, but its higher price kept it from the top spot. This vacuum delivered powerful cleaning across carpets, hard floors, and area rugs, with our tester noting it picked up everything in its path, including dust bunnies and cat litter. It navigated well around furniture in tight spaces, and handled pet hair smoothly without getting tangled or jammed. Our tester was impressed by its quiet operation, noting they could chat and watch TV without raising the volume. The mopping feature struggled to clean a jelly spill and smeared it a little, but overall, it's still a solid choice for a robot vacuum. Number 3. iLife V3S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. You don't have to spend a fortune to simplify your cleaning routine. This more affordable robot vacuum became a teen favorite for its efficient cleaning of both carpets and hard floors. It comes with a remote control for easily changing settings, and it moves smoothly between surfaces, avoiding most objects even without dedicated obstacle avoidance technology. Our tester noted how impressively quiet it was. They could carry on a clear conversation even with the vacuum nearby. They also praised its ability to pick up long hair, citing that feature alone as being worth the price. It fits under beds to tackle pet hair in hard-to-reach spots. And even without a mopping feature, our tester noticed the floor looked shiny after use. The vacuum does struggle with corners, so some debris may need to be swept out of its path. Number 4. Shark PowerDetect Robot Vacuum and Mop. Like a wet-dry vacuum, this hybrid mop and vacuum combo provides a deeper, more thorough floor cleaning. We found the Shark PowerDetect robot vacuum and mop performed adequately but not exceptionally. The mopping feature left the floors clean and quickly dried. It handled messes easily, though the tester still relied on a dust buster for corners and quick cleanups. While it navigated well and didn't get stuck, the vacuum occasionally hesitated when encountering objects not included in its map. However, thanks to the self-emptying feature, our tester didn't have to dump the dustbin. They found this robot vacuum louder than others they've used. It scared their dog, but given the time they set it to clean, it doubled as an alarm clock.